Have you wondered if the foods you eat could be affecting your neuropathy? Could something as simple as eggs be making your symptoms worse? Let's talk about whether eggs are bad for neuropathy, how certain nutrients can help or harm your nerves, and what dietary choices can support better nerve health. As usual, I'll provide practical tips and actionable steps to help you and your loved ones make informed food choices for managing neuropathy effectively. Hello, I'm Dr. Baltai, dedicated to unraveling the complexities of neurological health and guiding you through and managing these conditions. Now let's talk about whether eggs are bad for neuropathy. Eggs have long been a staple of many diets, praised for their high protein content and essential nutrients. But when it comes to neuropathy, should you be cautious about including eggs in your diet? To answer this, we need to break down the nutritional components of eggs and their effects on nerve health. First, let's look at the positive aspects. Eggs are rich in B vitamins, especially B12 and B6, which are crucial for nerve health. Think of these vitamins as the maintenance crew for your nerves, helping you to repair damage and maintain proper function. Now, B12 deficiency in particular is linked to neuropathy, so including eggs in your diet can help prevent this deficiency. Eggs also contain choline, a nutrient important for nerve signaling and brain health. Choline acts like a messenger, ensuring that signals are properly transmitted between nerves. This can support overall nerve health, making eggs a beneficial food for those with neuropathy. However, it's important to consider other factors. Some people with neuropathy may have underlying conditions such as diabetes or high cholesterol, which require careful dietary management. Eggs are known to contain cholesterol, and while recent research suggests that these dietary cholesterol may not have a significant impact on blood cholesterol levels as once thought, it's still a consideration for those managing cardiovascular health alongside neuropathy. Additionally, how you prepare these eggs can make a difference. For example, frying eggs in unhealthy oils can add trans fats and saturated fats to your diet, which are detrimental to overall health and can exacerbate inflammation, potentially worsening neuropathy symptoms. Instead, opt for healthier cooking methods like boiling or poaching. Now let's talk about how to incorporate eggs into a neuropathy-friendly diet effectively. First, include eggs in moderation. While they offer many benefits, balance is the key. Eating a varied diet that includes a range of nutrient-dense foods will provide comprehensive support for your nerve health. Second, focus on healthy preparation methods. You can boil it, you can poach it, or scramble it eggs using a small amount of healthy fats such as olive oil, avocado oil, or grass-fed butter. Avoid unhealthy oils that can increase inflammation. Third, pair your eggs with other nutrient-rich foods. Combine eggs with vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, and tomatoes, which provide antioxidants, additional nutrients. Think of this as assembling a team of superheroes for your nerves, each bringing their unique strengths to the table. Fourth, monitor your body's response. Everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Pay attention to how your body reacts to eggs and adjust your diet accordingly. If you notice adverse effects, consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Take into account that managing neuropathy involves a holistic approach that includes diet, lifestyle, and medical care. By making informed food choices, you can support your nerve health and potentially alleviate some symptoms of neuropathy. I want you guys to stay informed and stay healthy, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on neurological health. I'm Dr. Baltai, and if you need help or have questions, reach out to me directly through my website, neuropathyrescue.com.